In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Cloudflare Dashboard. First, you will need to open the Cloudflare Dashboard. To do this, navigate to the website by typing in the URL https://dash.cloudflare.com/login into your browser's address bar. As the page loads, you will see a clean and straightforward interface designed for easy navigation. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing all the features and settings of your Cloudflare account. Once the page has fully loaded, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, you will choose a sign-in method. Cloudflare provides several options for you to log in. You can enter your email address and password directly into the respective fields. Alternatively, if you have linked your account with Google, Apple, GitHub, or single sign-on, you can select one of those options. This flexibility in sign-in methods is important because it allows you to choose the one you are most comfortable with. Once you select your preferred method, you will be one step closer to accessing your account. Now it's time to enter your email address and password if you chose that option. Ensure that you type in your credentials correctly. This means double-checking for any typos in your email or password. If you are using a password manager, you can simply copy and paste your password for accuracy. This step is vital because logging in successfully hinges on the correct entry of your credentials. After entering your information, look for the Login button to proceed. If you opted to log in using Google, Apple, GitHub, or SSO, simply click the button for your chosen method. You will be redirected to a secure page where you can authenticate your identity. This process may involve entering your credentials for that account or approving a notification on your device. It is reassuring to know that using these methods can streamline your login process and enhance your security at the same time. After you've entered your details or authenticated via a third-party service, you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication, or 2FA if it is enabled for your account. This step adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your account. You might receive a text message or an email with a code to enter. This is important because two-factor authentication helps protect your sensitive information from unauthorized access. Once you complete this step, you will be ready to log in. Finally, once all the previous steps are completed, you will be taken to your Cloudflare dashboard. Here you can manage your domains, DNS settings, SSL/TLS configurations, security features, and much more. This dashboard is your central hub for controlling all aspects of your Cloudflare account. It is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the various options available. If at any point you encounter issues logging in, remember that you can click on the link that says "Forgot your email or password." This option will guide you through the process of resetting your password or recovering your email. It's reassuring to know that you have this backup method in case you forget your login credentials. With all these steps, you should now be equipped to log into the Cloudflare dashboard smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Cloudflare account with confidence.